because they are answering to shareholders and what shareholders
believed to be wearing a blue shirt, blue-ripped jeans, and brown shoes. The suspect, Damian Castaneda, is a 34-year PM. Manuel Castaneda was abducted from Vallejo, California. Miguel Castaneda is a 5-year-old in brown shoes. The suspect, Damian Castaneda, is a 34 years old, Hispanic male, standing 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 240 pounds. Blue shirt, blue-ripped jeans, and brown shoes. The suspect, Damian Castaneda,
in the nation's capital. And a new scam to be on the lookout for has been traced to the Sunshine State, but police
last seen driving a convertible wide Ford Mustang with a black top with California license.
Lymphadenopathy. These are lymph nodes on your elbow, on your
1-1.
Rất là hay khi mà mình muốn tạo dựng cái chương trình pension.
Same time, 5:30 p.m.
DA, beginning at 1:53 a.m. and ending at 3:53 a.m. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Vallejo Police Department. On July 18, 2023, at 7:45 p.m., Manuel Castaneda was abducted from Vallejo, California. Manuel Castaneda is a 7-year-old Hispanic male. Second victim, Miguel Castaneda, is a 5-year-old Hispanic male. Miguel Castaneda is believed to be wearing a Christmas shirt, black basketball shorts, and black shoes. Third victim, Francisca Castaneda, is a 4-year-old Hispanic male. Francisca Castaneda is believed to be wearing a blue shirt, blue-ripped jeans, and brown shoes. The suspect, Damian Castaneda, is a 34 years old, Hispanic male, standing 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 240 pounds. The suspect was last seen driving a convertible.
It's the Hope Show on After Hours.
California license plate number 7ZKL946.
So, for days, and I tried.
1.
But she did not
for an Amber Child abduction alert at the request of the CHP. On behalf of the Vallejo Police Department, this is the emergency alert system. Now, CHP is requesting the public's help in finding 3 young children allegedly abducted by their father in Vallejo last night. Now, CHP is requesting the public's help in finding 3 young children allegedly. The children were taken by Damian Castaneda at 7:45 Tuesday night from Vallejo. Now, Damian is a Francisco Castaneda. The children were taken by Damian Castaneda at 7:45 Tuesday night from Vallejo. Now, 946. He could be in Solano or Sacramento County. Anyone who sees them is asked to go over his right eye. He was last seen driving a 2011 white Ford Mustang. California license plate 72.
PNC Financial advance किया 2.5% से.
To your friends, the prophets, you said.
Solano or Sacramento County. Anyone who sees them is asked to call. System. We continue on with our local programming. Here's your KCBS emergency alert system.